Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be answering the question if you can lock Google Drive folder with password. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what I'm going to do is go to a folder inside of Google Drive. So from here I'm going to click on the three dots and then let's have a look at some of the options we got. So we got download, rename, share, organize, folder information, security limitations, activity and details. So there's no such way to actually add a password. If I go to details here, it's just going to show you details about the folder, but we can manage access here. So we can click on manage access and now we can keep general access as restricted and then just add people or group spaces or calendar events, and people with that with the invite are going to be able to view the contents inside of that folder. So that's basically the only way you can do it. If you change restricted anyone with the link, well, that means anyone can obviously open that up. But there is a workaround if you really want to password protect your files or folders or just images, whatever you want to password protect. So what we need to do is go ahead and download WinRAR download. So click on the first link here from winrar.com, download and install it. Now once you've downloaded and installed it, so you want to go ahead and click on this blue button, download, and install. Then from here, go ahead and open up that file that you'd like to password protect. So for example, want to use this image. So what we need to do is right click onto it, and then we need to click onto WinRAR and click on add to archive. Now a little pop-up is going to appear like so. So from here, what we need to do is on the general tab, go ahead and click on set a password. So just set a password that you're going to be able to remember, and then we can show the password to see that. You can also encrypt file names if you want, and then click on OK. Then from here we've got archiving options. We can delete files after archiving, create SFX. So just go ahead and delete files after archiving. So click OK. Now if I go ahead and look back into here, you can see here's that file. Now basically what we need to do is go ahead and upload that file. So I'm just going to go to test folder, double click into it, and then click onto new top left hand corner and then file upload, and now go to that .ra file that you just created. So here it is here, click on open, and now that's going to go ahead and upload into this folder, and now only people with the password is going to be able to open it. So if I go ahead and double click onto it, you can see here it's just .rar. So what we can do is download it, and once we've downloaded it, we need to go ahead, we can go ahead and put that password in. So I'm going to go ahead and download anyway. So now it's downloading. Alright, so now let's go ahead and open it up. So I'm going to click onto it. Didn't mean to press that, that's all good. Well, so here we are. So select an app to open this .ra file. So obviously WinRAR, always. And now let's move this over here. Alright, so I'm going to double click screenshot. Now we're going to enter that password and click OK. And now it's on the other screen. I'll just drag it across here. So yeah, that's one way how to lock your Google Drive folder or content inside that folder. But at this point in time, there's no direct way to actually lock the folder.